Hey, Mike here. Just wanted to share a couple of new tools that we've been putting together. They're LLM Red Teaming tools, and most specifically used for MCP or Model Context Protocol servers. The first one's an NSC script for Nmap, and it will allow you to find MCP servers on a network, remote MCP servers on a network. And the other one is a client tool that works on the console, allows you to interact with MCP servers and call them interactively. And the other nice feature is that it does allow you to work through proxy, so you can get everything to go through Burp Suite Professional or any SOX 5 or HTTP proxy capable tool for further attacking your targets. So let's take a look at it now. Here's the first one, the Nmap script. It's called MCP Discovery again. Here I'm going to run it again my local machine on port 3000 and 8811. It's important to pass in -sv because that's the version discovery, and it will only run our script if you pass in -s uppercase V like this. So here we go. We run the script, and then we're going to wait a second to let it complete. And here we go. We're done running. We can scroll back up, and we can see here on port 3000, we're able to find through the MCP Discovery plugin, we were able to find an endpoint. And as part of the discovery, we ran the initialize. It was successful. Then we ran tool/list, got 12 tools back, resource, 3 of them came back, and 2 prompt came back. We also get a little bit of information about the server, and then we get a list of all these tools, resources, and prompt. So here's all the different tools that are available on this MCP server. Um, Here's all the resources and all the prompts available. And again, this is the vulnerable MCP server, something we put together in order to test against and develop tools. Um, and then you can also see on port 8811, there's another one, but this one it says it requires authentication. So we were not able to get a comprehensive list of all the tools because of that required authentication. Now let's take a look at the other tool. The other tool is MCP Pentester CLI. You can actually install it with npm if you'd like. Here it takes all kinds of command line parameter, but here I'm just passing in the -f, and that takes in a configuration file that already has all the connection information in it. And here we go. We're going to run it. And here we have the tool. The pop-up comes up. You can see right now it says no available tool. Press F5 to refresh. If I press F5, it pulls down all the tools we were just looking at a minute ago. If you go to the navigation pane, and you can see all the navigation here in the middle of the screen. F1 is nav, F2 is content, F3 is traffic, F4 close. So you can see here, I can show the resources, I can show the prompts. If I go to the tools, I can run any of them. So for example, we can run execute system command, and then I'm going to just run echo test. And then you can see the output of the command was test. So it actually ran the echo successfully. And then you can run other tools, any of the tools that's available on the MCP server. One of them is called search user. It takes a parameter called username. So we're going to pass in Alice, and it'll run the tool, and it returns Alice's information here. And as you can see, this one is an example where SQL injection vulnerability. And that's it for these tools. 2 tools again, MCP-nmap script to help you find MCP server, and the MCP Pentester CLI, which allows us to interact with MCP server, pipe the data to our other tools, and further attack those systems. So if you give it a try, I'd love to hear how it works out for you. And if you find any bugs, let me know. We'd love to hear about them and fix them. Thanks, and talk again later. See ya.